We migrated to Perth in Australia in 1991. My mother was in England by that time, my three sisters and myself. Two, my married again, from France and Italian. It was bad. I later moved to Sydney with Ada in the Delta. When Mama gave her lots of seven upfront, they had to become living at first. At the time, think about it. I was pretty much settled to Sydney then. I had a new job, a great set of friends, a bit of fear to work. Quite a life overall. I was focusing on Mama regularly, and it's been perfectly fine this time. Until, no, I took up the work without thinking. Mama is good. Not still, Hello. Hello, Anna. Hello. Hello. I have to watch you. Mama is thinking about this way. Then it is going back to the little boy function. Some for me, and sense that there was something wrong. It's something. No matter what I try to like it, I have to do the person. Hello. Hello, con luôn thì hát đi luôn. Hello, how are you? Happy to see you. Không sao, bà có làm không biết mình mở ôi trẻ ở các nước chưa trẻ itu like the store central to the that was really very hard. I said all I need is something on the this transport. Oh, you can do a red store. And so live for even the favorite photo, but with the voice, my name is okay. You know very well I always love yellow. Of course, you hate yellow. No, it's red that I hate it reminds me of water. Không biết lắm hay sao? Oh, alam mo, ay iwanan yung time. What if we go to California and Hello? I can see you are hello. Please forward. Very nice. Hello. 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 Hello.
Mamay, I'm here. What's going on? Mamay, hello. Oh my God. Hindi siya hindi napakain, Mamay. Criminal. Nasa ng caregiver mo, ililita ko siya sa Dimension Australia. Sinong carer mo? Sino ang ikaw? Ako ba? Oh, salamat po ka. Natuto mo ako? Ano galing? Ano mo naman din? Binigay mo kay Nena. Binigay mo sa kanya. Ano yun ba? Nawawala ko. Doon, okay? Hindi ko lang ito pagkakasali. Kinuha ko na naman. Kinuha na na. Ano yun? Sa akin man. Amen. Wala ka sa iyo. Kasi nga, binigay ko kay Nene. Mabigay mo yun. Hanapin mo na natin ang buhay, ha? Mamay?
Hinanap ko na. Hindi ko makita.
Sure. Nandyan lang yan. May, I will look for it. Promise. Quick. Gusto mo ba kaya ng Marley?
Wala ka ba? Nasihan mo.
It's not that first. And I will cook with you with my temple noodles. We'll have a nice dinner, and this will only take a few minutes.
Bakit? Ako naman ba? Wala ka din.
Which portion is? Mabilis na nito, Maya. It's a 3-minute noodles. Mama, you wait. There you go ahead. Running off to another world next to it. This behavioral pattern is called sundown. Experts talk about this, how people with dementia become increasingly restless, fewer suspicious, more disoriented late in the afternoon or early evening. What is it about the shape from daytime to nighttime that makes them more vulnerable, more prone to hearing and believing things that are not real? Who knows? Sundown. Strange. Look at this. Refusing to stand still. Mama. You are sila bukas. Oh, ikaw ko muna. Come here, Nanay. Nanay, ano ka ba? Makinig ka nga. Hayaan mo, kumain. Pagdating nila bukas, tayo naman ang maglalakwak sa. We will go to Cebu or the Simulo. Okay? You want to dance in the Simulo, di ba?
Simulo?
Let me take care of that.
Ikaw mahala? Hindi. Romeo? Do you know what Romeo means?
Absolutely. And I know that it's, my mother is the
Oh, good time, Lord. Oh, you have a good home. And the one that is not, which I used out on the beginning from you. What's saying about? Yes. The Father used to say, you will be a pillar of the house. Strong, dependent. And it was not. This time, what is the name? Congo. It is the name.
He loves the house.
Very good. What is something else I know about you now? I know why you never got married.
I am not a
What are you talking about? I cannot think of anything from looking that doesn't are my son and the other secondary before many broke the heart. Only one more.
And it was many, many moons ago.
He never did it.
Si Simeon, your best friend in Sydney, yung may flat sa Paramattaw, yung kasama mong bumili ng kotse.
Yes, it's Simon.
Simon.
Si Simon yung narator ko sa Harlow. Natatandaan mo yun? That's right. He came to visit you a few years ago. Oh, ma. But he never came back. I've actually lost touch with him. I'm not sure if he still works in the same hotel. Maybe he's changed his number. I don't even know if he's still in Sydney. It doesn't matter. We're just mates. Pare ko yun. I am the father to his niece. Ano ba?
Ay, malay ko, no? Gusto ko lang naman masiguro, anak, na may kasama ka sa buhay. Now I know. Now I really know why you haven't gotten married.
Bakit na naman mamay?
Simple. Because when you were a young boy, I took care of you. And now you're all grown up. So maybe God is saying it is time that you take care of me. O di pala, mag-isa lang ako sa buhay. Ikaw mag-isa ka din sa buhay. So siguro tayo talagang dalawang magkasama. Hindi natin iwanan ng isa't isa. Why are you laughing? You don't want to take care of me? abot.
I love you, Mama. And among all your children, I am the one who loves you the most.
Ay! Do not never say that. Never say that in front of your Ate Mila and Ate Tina, ha? They might get upset.
I don't care. Eh, lagi naman sila ang bida.
Oy! Parang may nagsiselos.
Di oh.
Eh, ba't ganyan ang tono mo?
Wala lang. Diba? Eh, diba sila naman lagi ang bida? Sila ang pilasay sa mga bagay-bagay. But then again, I mean, when was the last time they came to visit you? Tawag lang sila ng tawag. And if they do, how long exactly do they stay? Sige nga, May.
Nagtatampo ka ba sa mga ate mo? Napapagod ka na? Hanap ka ng mas magaan ng trabahoan, ha? Para hindi ka ma-burn out? Di na kasi kita naipapasyal ng madalas, no? Lagi kasi yung masama ang pakiramdam ko. Siguro, ganyan talaga pag senior na. Sige lang, ha? Gala tayo ulit pag summer na. Ha? Ubusin natin ang pension ko sa lakwatsa, lahat. Palangga, ikaw anak. Mahal kita. Anak.
Mahal kita naman.
I never expected things to be easy. But I also didn't know how exacting it can be. Sinubukan kong mahawakan ang sarili kong buhay and then at the same time na nakatutok ako kay Mamay. But it didn't work out. So now, I just focus on her. Keep her calm and nourished. Make sure she gets all the medical help available and as much as possible, make her happy. My biggest challenge is not to panic on her really bad days. Luckily, I have friends. Almost like family and more. And not only do they help me with Mamay, they're also my cheering squad when I feel down and out. Alam niyo naman ang lungkot, may pagkatraidor, di ba?
Camila? Hello? Hello? Who's this? Is this a prank? Hello? Oh my God. Hello? Hey! Finally! How are you? Where are you? Are you still in Sydney? I thought maybe you left for, I don't know, forever. Hey, I'm sorry for not coming back, but you understand, right? Wait. What? Oh, are you crying? Oh, that's okay. I am too. What is it I'm listening? Yes. I know. I know. I love you too. I do. Just as much.
Tangyong,
What? No. Why? Where are you going? Okay, promise you call again? Or come visit? Mama misses you, you know. Of course, she remembers you. I will. Okay then. Hello? Hello? Bye for now.
Tongyong,
Yes, Mai?
Hindi ko makita ang buwan.
Ano yun? Ano yun, Mai?
ang buwan. Nawawala. Hindi kayo kinain ng bakunawa?
Mamay, nandyan lang ang buwan. Even if you can see it, di ba?
Eh, kailan ang uwi mo sa Sydney?
Sydney? How? I have no plans, Mai. But, you know, we might have a visitor from Sydney one of these days.
Hindi kaya tumakas ang buwan? Papuntang Sydney?
Are you feeling ill?
Tired?
Then rest a while, Mamay. You'll feel better soon enough.
Sana nga.
Dealing with Mamai's illness is like fighting our own bakunawa. We fight and wait. Wait for Bathala to intervene. Wait for the bakunawa to be vanquished. Wait for our moon to return.
Mamay suffers more and more from the treacherous claws of dementia. Her memories fade one by one, like they are slowly chased away.
She finds it harder and harder to recall things. What she had just eaten, or when she had her last meal, what the doctor said, what time or day it is.
As though continuously swallowed by this horrible Bakunawa creature. Her memories keep getting dimmer, darker,
And darker.
perhaps to be erased completely
Forever.
for darkness.
Tingin si nanay. Si Terkaya, tingin siya man. Tingin na ang mga tao din. Ari lang to di sila kaina. Naanaw lang na haw. Tingin sila nagkatuman.
Nga aman daw isa na lang puli. Gipresonyo ko din. Nga gipresonyo ko din, ha? Gusto ko magpuli. Palian ako sa amon palay. Kinanglan nila ako to. Kinanglan nila ako.
Kailangan ko ulong round sa amon mo. Maglaba. Magpahanap sa karabaw. Kanding, baka. Mapabaho ko sa bakod. Maluto, malimpyo sa balay. Ako gitya shampoo. Ako champion maglimpyo sa balay. Nalipay git si nanay sa obra ko. Ay, ano ni nanay man ang mga ulong-round? Pero wala akong
Palian ako sa balay. Kinanglan ako ni nanay.
Nay, mapauli na ako, tane. Galing, hindi ko na ikatulong sa dalan. Nagtalang ko yan. Pwede niyo ako sugatan, din? Sugatan niyo ako, ame.
Diin na ako man.
Tonyo, si Papa mo, diin. Call your Papa, anak. Tell him to come and get me. I want to dance with him. La da 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 di, da da da, da la la la. Ay, hala. Di ka pa nag-greet sa akin. Happy birthday, anak.
Happy birthday!
Dali lang. Daw malipong ko yan. Malipong ko.
Da 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 di da la da di da 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 la. Do you like my pink dress? Gintahi kini ni nanay.
Kung yung daw manong bakit tabahin ko.
You've exhausted yourself, Mama. time for you to rest. Oh dear. It's going to be one of those wild days that we just leave.
Iri-iri tulugan ay walat iri mong nanay kadutsin na bakal papay iri-iri tulugan ay.
Let's give them a warm round of applause to our brilliant